Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. My name is Mehta and today we are going to have our art and craft class. And today we are going to make kites. We celebrate Uttarayan on January 14th and 15th of every year. It is from Uttarayan that the days become longer and the nights become shorter.
Special dishes are made on this day with til and jaggery, called til laddu. Kite flying is also an important part of this festival. Sky can be seen filled with colorful kites on this day. Now let's start making our kites. For this activity, you will need few colored A4 size papers, one scissor, one glue stick, some barbecue sticks, one black color sketch pen and some crepe papers. Now take one colored A4 size paper and fold it into half. Now again fold it into half like this. And then open. Now cut this much part with the help of scissor. Do the same thing with the other two papers also. Now take one square cutout and fold the paper just the way I am doing. Make a proper crease. Now turn the paper and again fold it like this. Now apply glue and stick the paper from both sides. We will do the same with the other two papers also. Now we will paste eyes and mouth cutout on our kites. Now take black color sketch pen and make nose and eyeballs and eyelashes of kites. Take crepe paper and fold it from one side like this and take scissor and start cutting till the paper is folded. open the paper. It will look like this. We will do the same with other two also. Take crepe paper and start folding it like this and apply glue on it and stick it on the sides of the kite and at the bottom of the kite. Do same thing with the other two kites also. Take one barbecue stick, apply glue and stick it inside the kite like this. Do the same with the other two kites also. Now decorate the kite by applying glue like this and then paste small triangle cutouts in random order. Our kites are ready.
I hope you enjoyed today's activity and do enjoy this festival with your family at home. Stay safe, be healthy. Bye.